Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share all things related to car care and maintenance. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of car cleaning products. We'll be discussing the essential items that every car owner should have in their arsenal to keep their vehicles looking pristine. Owning a car is a huge responsibility, and it's important to keep it clean and well-maintained to ensure its longevity. With so many car cleaning products available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right ones. So, we've done the research for you and compiled a list of must-have car cleaning products. So, let's get started. Why do we need to clean our cars? Cleaning your car helps protect its paintwork from contaminants such as bird droppings, tree sap, and road salt. These substances can corrode the paint and lead to rust or permanent stains if left unattended. A clean car maintains its value better than a dirty one. When it comes time to sell or trade in your vehicle, a well-maintained and clean appearance can significantly enhance its resale value. A clean car simply looks better. It gives you a sense of pride and satisfaction in your vehicle's appearance, reflecting positively on your personal style and attention to detail. Clean windows, mirrors, and headlights improve visibility while driving. Removing dirt, streaks, and haze from these surfaces ensures clear vision and enhances overall safety on the road. The interior of a car can accumulate dust, allergens, and germs over time. Regular cleaning helps maintain a hygienic environment, reducing the risk of allergies, respiratory issues, and the spread of bacteria or viruses. Cleaning and protecting your car's interior surfaces, such as leather, vinyl, and plastics, can help prevent cracking, fading, and deterioration caused by UV rays and aging. This extends the lifespan of your vehicle's interior components. Many car owners have an emotional attachment to their vehicles. Keeping your car clean can contribute to a positive driving experience and a sense of well-being. Overall, regular car cleaning is essential for maintaining the appearance, condition, and value of your vehicle, as well as ensuring a safe and comfortable driving environment. A. Exterior cleaning products. First up, let's talk about the must-have car cleaning products for the exterior of your vehicle. These products will help you maintain that showroom shine and protect your car's paintwork. 1. Car wash shampoo or soap. A high-quality car wash shampoo or soap is the foundation of any good car cleaning routine. It is a must-have for maintaining the shine and cleanliness of your car. Look for a product that is pH balanced and does not strip away wax or sealants. This will help protect the paint and keep it looking its best. 2. Microfiber wash mitt and towels. To avoid scratching your car's paint, invest in soft and plush microfiber wash mitt and towels. These soft and absorbent materials are perfect for washing and drying your car. It's gentle on the surface and helps to lift dirt particles away from the paintwork. The plush fibers help trap dirt and prevent it from scratching the surface. Remember to use separate mitts and towels for different parts of the car to prevent cross-contamination. 3. Wheel cleaner. Wheels are often the dirtiest part of a car, and a good wheel cleaner can help remove brake dust and grime without damaging the finish. Choose a product that is safe for your specific wheel type of wheel such as alloy, chrome, etc. and effectively removes stubborn dirt. It's important to note that not all wheel cleaners are safe for all types of wheels, so make sure to read the label carefully before purchasing. 4. Clay bar or detailing clay. To achieve a truly clean and smooth surface, consider using detailing clay. For a truly deep clean, a clay bar is a game changer. It helps remove embedded contaminants like tree sap, tar, and industrial fallout that regular washing cannot eliminate, leaving your car's paint smooth and ready for waxing. It leaves your car's paint feeling silky smooth and ready for further polishing or waxing. B. Interior cleaning products. Now, let's shift our focus to the interior of your car. These cleaning products will help you maintain a fresh and clean cabin space. 1. Interior Cleaner. An all-purpose interior cleaner is a versatile product that can be used on various surfaces like upholstery, vinyl, and plastic. It can help remove dirt, stains, and odors from the seats, carpets, and dashboard. Look for one that effectively removes stains, dirt, and odors without leaving any residue. Choose a cleaner that is safe for the specific materials in your car's interior, such as leather or cloth. This will help keep your car's interior looking and smelling fresh. It's important to note that some interior cleaners contain harsh chemicals that can damage certain materials, so make sure to read the label carefully before purchasing. 2. Glass Cleaner. A streak-free glass cleaner is a must-have for crystal-clear windows and mirrors. Look for a cleaner that is safe for tinted windows and does not leave any residue. This will ensure that you have a clear view of the road at all times. Opt for a non-ammonia formula that won't damage tinted windows or leave behind any unsightly streaks. It's also important to use a separate towel or cloth for cleaning the glass to avoid any cross-contamination. 3. Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Accidents happen, and spills on your car's carpet or upholstery are inevitable. A good carpet and upholstery cleaner is essential for tackling those inevitable spills and stains. Look for a product specifically designed for automotive use, as it will be formulated to effectively lift and remove dirt, grime, and stains without damaging the fabric. 4. Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. If your car has leather seats or interior trim, investing in a quality leather cleaner and conditioner is a must. This will help keep the leather soft, supple, and protected from cracking or fading over time. C. Detailing and Finishing Products. Now, let's move on to the detailing and finishing products that will take your car's appearance to the next level. 1. Quick Detailer. A quick detailer spray is perfect for those times when you want to give your car a quick touch-up between washes. It helps remove light dust, fingerprints, and smudges, leaving a glossy finish. 2. Wax or Sealant. Applying a layer of wax or sealant is crucial for protecting your car's paint from UV rays, oxidation, and environmental contaminants. Choose a product that suits your preferences, whether it's a traditional carnauba wax or a synthetic sealant. 3. Tire Shine or Tire Dressing. Don't forget about your tires. To give your tires that clean and glossy look, a good tire dressing is essential. A good tire shine product will give your tires a deep black, glossy finish, making them look brand new. Look for a non-greasy formula that won't sling off onto your car's bodywork. Tire dressings not only enhance the appearance of your tires but also protect them from cracking and fading caused by UV rays. Opt for a non-greasy, water-based dressing that provides a deep black finish and long-lasting protection. 4. Detailing Brushes and Tools. To achieve a thorough clean, having a set of detailing brushes and tools is essential. These can include soft bristle brushes for cleaning vents and crevices, detailing swabs for hard-to-reach areas, and a microfiber cloth for buffing and drying. With the right car cleaning products, you can transform your ordinary ride into a shining masterpiece. Remember, car cleaning isn't just about aesthetics, it's about preserving the value of your vehicle and enjoying a clean and comfortable driving experience. So, step up your detailing game, embrace the inner car care warrior, and let your gleaming chariot be the envy of the road. And there you have it, our comprehensive list of car cleaning products that every car owner should have. By investing in these essential items, you'll be well equipped to maintain the cleanliness and appearance of your beloved vehicle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy cleaning and safe driving.